Alright, what's up guys? Welcome back to the channel. So my name is Jacob. This is going to be another honest review video. And this one's going to be featuring Chemical Guys'. We have the VRP right here, the vinyl rubber plastic, as well as the non-scent Invinsible super cleaner, colorless and odorless. So we're going to go ahead and use these two to do some interior and also some exterior. Now the guys recommended this at Detail Garage in Fresno. So go ahead and use it for exterior and interior. So I'm gonna go ahead and use the brush to actually scrub the little surface. And then once that comes to the VRP to apply it, I'm gonna go ahead and use this black sponge. And we're gonna go ahead and try it out. So we're gonna be using it on the exterior, just right here in this little plastic piecing, just to try it out, as well as we're gonna go ahead and again, just hit up some interior. I still need to clean it. I just got done washing the outside and doing a review video on the woolly mammoth towel. Go ahead and check that out if you haven't. As well as to dry the wheels, I used the Chemical Guys blower right here, so go ahead and check that review video as well. And to actually put the studs on there, I used their R1 blaster, so go ahead and check those videos out if you have not. So without further ado, let's go ahead and attack that little piece right there. Alright guys, so I'm doing this all by myself, so give me a break. I know it's a little, I'm trying to get the best angle here, literally, again, by myself. So I'm gonna go ahead and use the nonsense cleaner with the brush first, and then we're gonna go ahead and put the VRP on the sponge, and we're gonna go ahead and just wipe it in. Just gonna go ahead and scrub it in with the brush. Gonna wipe it off a little bit with the residue with the clean microfiber. Okay, so now I'm gonna go ahead and apply a little bit of the VR onto the sponge. So let it sit for about 15 minutes, and it should be dry to the touch. Dry to the touch, which I really like. Looks really good. That's the done side. I'm gonna take you over here to the other side, and this side hasn't been done yet. You can actually go ahead and see how it's still all faded and whatnot. So I'm gonna go ahead and finish touching this up, and then I'm gonna go ahead and jump in the interior, and we'll go ahead and try a little bit of how it looks in the interior. Okay, so overall, I usually keep my interior looking overall pretty good. Nothing too bad or too messy or anything like that. So I'm gonna go ahead and just hit up this little spot right here just to try it out again, so we can go ahead and show you guys how it looks. Okay, so now I have the VRP right here on the sponge, so I'm gonna go ahead and just apply it. Okay, and like the outside, we're gonna go ahead and let it sit for a few minutes, and we'll be right back with you, see how it looks. Alright guys, so now that I let it sit for a few minutes, go ahead and try to pick up the difference here, but it's actually a noticeably difference. Yeah, you can see right here to where it stopped basically cleaning, and this is like the dirtier stuff. But yeah, it gives a nice clean shine, not like anything like that. It looks all greasy or filmy like the other stuff. Like I said, that's why I wanted to switch it up. I used to use the Armor All wipes all the time, but I wanted to try these out, and this combination works great for the interior, and as you guys saw on the exterior, it looked great. So I'm gonna go ahead and just end this video. So like I was saying, it looks really good. It looks simple, clean, unlike the other stuff that leaves it like really greasy and filmy looking, and it's just, that's not my style, to be honest. If that's your style, go for it, but for me, I wanted something a little more cleaner and simpler. So without further ado, I will see you guys in the next video. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, go ahead and like it. Go ahead and subscribe if you're not subscribed yet. I will see you guys in the next one. Peace out.